back testing Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's basically just to prepare me for the upcoming week, and I'm gonna be back to the live evaluations on Monday. 38 Studios. So these last few weeks, I've been like getting into a trade around Thursday. And this week I decided to not get into a trade on Thursday because I didn't really know what the market was doing. And I wasn't looking at the charts. When I looked at this chart early Friday, and I seen that it was in a zone these past couple days, consolidating these past couple hours. And it finally decided to leave and go up 15%. I wasn't too mad at like a potential missed opportunity because I knew I was sitting out. It's just like, when you don't look at the charts and you don't pay attention to the levels you mark, you can miss out. So we're just gonna prepare for next week. I didn't take a trade in the bond market either. Looking at this chart, it was a little, I would say, confusing, but it didn't present us any opportunities during the early sessions. Like it was like higher lows, but we weren't making any higher highs. So that kind of like just made me realize I should just sit out the day. Like it wasn't anything clear. I didn't want to get caught in the mix. Me trying to go long when it appears to be an uptrend when it's really a downtrend. So, and I just chilled out. Well, you've seen the charts. You can see why I'm mad about not getting into that trade, but it is what it is. We gonna get back to it Monday, but before Monday we gotta prep. So it's gonna be back testing today, which is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Same strategy, we back testing, but it's just the things we're just fine tuning the process a little bit more as far as my entries. Like I know where I want to get in, so I'm gonna watch a little bit more. As far as like this week, I seen price was in an uptrend, and I never want to go against the trend. So when the uptrend, it came around to my price level, and instead of shorting, which I would have wanted to do, I didn't short because it was an uptrend, and I went long, but I went long before price closed above the level I wanted to close around. It was consolidating, and I ended up going long, just trying to get ahead of the curve because it was already like I said, it was already in an uptrend, and I'm thinking it's a pullback, and we want to make a higher high because we already made a higher low. But instead, once it got to my level, it consolidated and it went down. This is how the level told me it was supposed to do. Like I said, I never want to go against that downtrend. I mean, go against any trend, but I want to also pay attention to my levels, and that was it was a learning experience. Like it's a probabilities game we playing. It's not always going to work in my favor, but more times than not. So I'm glad that I got to see that in live action today. Like my reps are up, and I'm seeing stuff. So I'm seeing stuff, learning from it. So it was a good experience overall. Like I didn't blow the account. I didn't lose too much, and I still got my account. Like I said, so we live to trade another day. And that's all it is. It's capital preservation, and we in this for the long run. So, I mean, I'll tune in tonight. I'll do you. I mean, I'll let you see when I'm doing my back testing tonight. And yeah, catch you later. I'm doing this one today. This video today, based off of something I said yesterday about me wanting to trade for control, things like that. I really just came to the realization that like you can't control. I mean, you can control stuff, but it's like there's some things that are just going to happen. Like for me, like for example, like in the markets, I can control when I get in and when I get out of a trade, but I can't control the price movement. I know that as far as the control factor of life, like you can't get upset over things that you can't control. And I know there's so many things, so many factors that I can't control. So it's just like most of the time you just gotta like go with the flow. And you gotta find the flow that's best for you and insert yourself into the flow. But again, and it comes back to not being complacent and doing what you need to do to attract the things that you want. Like having a perfect mindset, having the will to put in the work, because ain't nothing gonna come to you. Like, you're supposed to be patient. Like, I can't chase things. It's supposed to like let it attract to me, but I gotta put in the work to become that magnet to attract these things to me, these things that are for me. So I just wanted to reiterate on yesterday when I talked about like me wanting to trade or be a trader, being all in on trading, because I want to have control. Like, and it's like, I don't want to just say control because that's vague. And then I'll know I will get upset if I get into a situation that I feel like I can't control or I don't have control. But I know I'm just going to be able to focus on things that I can control, as far as my emotions, things that I do. And when it comes to things like working for someone, like as far as a 9 to 5 or whatever times you got, like, you can't control the times that you have to show up for them. And like I said, I like the fact that when it comes to control, I like that I can control when I can get into the market, or when I can sit down in front of the market, when I can buy, when I can sell. But it's like the fact of always wanting to be right or being a perfectionist can come into play too. And it's like, you can't control the price, you can't control the direction. You can just control your position inside this whole system they got going. And I wanna stay focused as far as bettering myself every day. I'm at work now. When I get off, I'm gonna do my back testing so I can get my charts together, get everything right. I just wanted to reiterate on yesterday. I'm not gonna keep this part short. I'm just reiterate on yesterday. We was talking about control and how just trust the process, man. Just trust the process. Be patient. Do everything that you need to do, and don't even think about the control. Because if you do everything you're supposed to do and you trust the process that you set up, the systems you set up, everything else will work out. Man. Everything will work out. I said everything that's for you, is meant for you, will be yours. Everything that's meant for me will be mine. So I'm gonna just keep on, like, trusting the process, doing my part, and everything that's for me is going to be attracted to me this year. So next time I'm out, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, peace. Just finished this back testing session, man, and I'm tired, bro. It's almost 1 o'clock. I ain't eat yet. Got off work around like 11:30. Went straight to the computer. I'm about to eat myself some food, man. And yeah, call it a night. Back at it tomorrow. Some back testing, edit some videos, do some math work with the youngins, my sons, and yeah, just have a productive weekend. Thanks for tuning into the vlog, man. If you're new, man, subscribe. If this content resonates with you, man, that like button, man, and like, we up, man. We on it, consistent, video after video, every day. I'm sending y'all something, whether it be live, recorded. I'm bringing it, man. So 3's all in with this trading, and y'all get this content. Y'all can follow the journey. It is what it is. I'm out. Peace. 38 Studios.